Hey everyone, welcome to a tutorial on making a custom cursor for your website. In this guide, we'll create a cursor that changes color based on the background color. First, install the WP Custom Cursors plugin, then go to its settings. If it's your first time adding a cursor, this page will show up. Click the link below the image to start making your first cursor. Pick a cursor and click Next. On the next page, set the cursor color to white and select Difference for blending mode. You can see a preview on the right. As you can see, the cursor will change its color based on the background, so it'll be black on a white background and white on a black background. Adjust the cursor size if needed, then click Next. Finally, hit Save Cursor to add it to your entire website. Now, head to your website's front end and check out the new cursor. As you notice, it changes color depending on the background, so it has a dynamic color, great for hovering images with vibrant colors. And that wraps up this tutorial. If you enjoyed this plugin, install it from the WordPress repository and begin making cool cursors for your website. Keep an eye out for our next video, and remember to like and subscribe for more. Goodbye.